Alright, this is my gy6 unboxing. Here we got the throttle cable. And I ordered all these parts from scootuning.ca in Canada. They have a complete kit basically, and 2-day shipping. It's fast shipping. My rear drum brakes, one with the NCY rear drum brakes. Longer brake cable. Here we got the 11 pole stator, brand new. And here we got the Mojo Customs bolt-on mount to fit a 12x8 rear rim. Got all the hardware. Then we got the different lengths for the stretch. I think I'm going to go with the longest one, which I think is a 12. Got the axle nut here. Here we got the ATR wiring harness. It comes all pre-labeled. This should be a plug and play with just a little bit of hard wiring, but that shouldn't be too hard. But this is the gy6 wiring harness. Spark plug and then the CDI. Everything comes nicely packaged. And here, I believe we have the carburetor. This is stock gy6 carburetor. Here's the short axle. And then here we got the rear shot. So nice. Then in here, this looks like maybe a rear hub to run my rear rim. Alright, so this is my rear hub here. So, pretty nice rear hub to run that big fatty in the rear. shout out to scootuning.ca for all the parts and the fast shipping. Also, the customer service is really great.